Today we're making one of my favorite and simple Italian dishes with the same recipe that my mom used since when I was a child. Those are stuffed zucchini with tuna. It's very simple to make, as I said, and it's packed with flavor and a great way to turn a few everyday ingredients into something special. So let's get started. First thing first, bring a pot of salted water to a boil, and as you do that, wash your zucchini and cut them in half lengthwise. Then send the zucchini to take a bath for about 5 minutes. We don't want them fully cooked, just soft enough to work with them later on in the process. As the zucchini boil, we can start to prepare the filling. Take one slice of bread and soak it in either water or milk. Once it's soft, squeeze out the excess liquid and crumble it into a bowl. Add 1 egg, a pinch of salt, some black pepper, and then 1 can of tuna, whichever one you prefer, mine is in extra virgin olive oil, and a handful of dried capers. Time to take out the zucchini from their bath and let them cool down because we're gonna need to handle them with our hands and we don't want to get burned. We don't like that. Once the zucchini are cool enough to handle, using a spoon, scoop out the center of each zucchini and create, little boats. Be careful not to break the sides because we're gonna need those to keep the filling inside. Now that the zucchini are ready, spread them with some extra virgin olive oil, add some salt, and of course black pepper. Now get half of the zucchini flesh that we just scooped out and put them together with the filling and mix everything again. And now we can fill each zucchini boat. The filling that we prepared should be just enough. To finish the zucchini, top them with parmesan, as much as you feel like, some breadcrumbs, and a couple more sprays of extra virgin olive oil. Note, I didn't add it, but if you like, you could add some cubes of your favorite cheese inside the filling, that's up to you. I prefer without. Our zucchini are now ready for the oven. Bake them at 360 Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. And as another side note, if you don't like at all the taste of boiled zucchini, you could skip the boiling part at the start and replace it with 10 to 15 minutes in the oven. But if you do that, then it's gonna be a bit harder to remove the central part of the zucchini. And 30 minutes later you have it. Very crispy on the top and soft inside. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And also let me know in the comments, how do you stuff your zucchini? Buon appetito, ciao ciao!